welcome back to another vlog with the fit couple, and happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day, guys. We are truly grateful for living in such a country, such an amazing country, a free country, and very grateful for everything. So I hope you guys are having an amazing 4th of July. Let us know in the comment section below how you guys are celebrating. We will be celebrating by having hot dog and some mangoes, because right now we are going to a mango farm to get like 2 big boxes of mangoes, and I think around 40 mangoes, and like 22 mangoes in like each box. So that is our plan right now, and Mayank is freshening up. Like he was taking bath and stuff, and now he's getting ready. I am already ready. And Marvel,
he stole something.
Oh, he stole something from the laundry bag, so let's go and check out what he stole. What did you take? You took daddy's socks? Now that is wrong. Is this how you celebrate 4th of July, Marvel? Now this is very wrong what you are doing here. Mommy's gonna go get some treats, okay? You take it out. This is a treat. You gotta leave the sock. Take it. Good boy. So the place where we are going to get the mangoes, it's like 1 hour from our place. So let's go there and get some delicious mango. I'll definitely show you guys the area once we reach there. Some shot. It's a very big farm. So Marvel, now he's again coming up, babe.
Ouch. Ouch.
So it's a very big farm, and they also have avocados and raw honey and all that stuff. But they said the avocados are not ready yet. And let me where's my phone? So we are gonna get Southern Blush and Pickering. I did try Southern Blush last time, but I've never tried Pickering. And then hold on, let me check the email and let you guys know what all mangoes they are selling.
They have Tommy Atkins. They have
Tommy
Southern
Atkins,
Blush, Kent,
Duncan, Southern Blush, Pickering, and Van Dyke
and Kent. So Kent we'll get on 21st or something.
Yeah, 21st Kent will be ready. We'll be getting it that time. Today we are gonna get 1 box of Southern Blush and 1 box of Pickering. So super excited. I really wish the avocados were ready, so I would have gotten some avocados also. But let's go and check out some more stuff there, what all they have. And our long weekend has started, because yesterday was my last working day, and then today is like Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, 4 days of holidays. So we are super excited. And yeah, and I hope you guys checked out yesterday's vlog and saw some fireworks. And we are like, we saw the fireworks yesterday, and we cannot wait to see it today as well, because it's gonna be much more better than yesterday. So yeah, super excited. So we are in this beautiful farm road you guys have been seeing from the last clips. This is all farm road, and it's how many miles? 6 more miles, and then we're gonna be reaching there. So it's a beautiful drive, like from our place to this area.
A lot of greenery.
Yeah, a lot of greenery, empty land, farmlands, yeah. But very well maintained, and you can see horses and so many things, like because people have farmhouses. Yeah, birding trails.
So yeah,
it's very beautiful. We'll be there soon, and we'll show you that. We are here. These are like
see it?
Yeah, they can see it. Look at the mangoes. So these are just some of the trees here. They have a very big farm.
Yeah, it's like, can you see that?
Yeah,
There.
that area.
You can like go in there and there's a whole
Yeah. So
farm,
we're
like
just
300.
gonna go there, pick the mangoes up. Yeah.
Okay guys, we have loaded our mangoes in the car and I don't know if you guys can see, but look at this. Look at all these mangoes here, people. And we
Check
have
out
our
like
2
2 boxes of mangoes.
You can take a sneak peek here.
Yeah.
And we have some here. Look at this tree, like you can see mangoes everywhere. This is one of the biggest farms. This is one of the craziest farm. And right there you can go in and that's where all the other like literal mango farm is. But here outside, on the outside, they have few trees and stuff. That's where they sell it. And I think we're ready to go home now.
Yep.
Okay guys, so this is Riverbend, Lochhattie River, Battlefield Park. This is the park where we came for cycling and stuff, and they have so many trails. So we will put the link of the video in which we actually showed the Lochhattie Riverbend Park. So we are gonna put the link in the description box below. So don't forget to check out the Riverbend Park vlog where we rented the bikes, and what you can do and stuff like that. It's a great place to go spend an hour or 2, and you can do kayaking, paddle boarding, and a lot of stuff. So it's great outdoor.
It's a fun place.
Yeah, it's a great outdoor place where you can go even with your kids or just with friends or family.
So check the description box. We are back home. Wow, Marvel, so many mangoes!
Did you see the mangoes? Did you see the mangoes? Yes.
Wow!
Yes. These are called mangoes. See? Marvel? See? Beautiful mango. I can't give you yet.
Oh, just smell it.
Oh wow. So these ones are Pickering and
So good.
these ones are Southern Blush. Oh my god, just look at the size. Like so big. Oh my god, they smell so fresh and so amazing. Like literally they are tree plucked. Wow. So we are gonna keep the ripened ones in the fridge so that they are nice and cool, and then we're gonna eat it. They told us the ones that are not ripe, you can keep them outside for a day in this box itself, and they'll be ready by tomorrow or day after. Super excited! So many mangoes! So we had our lunch, the meal prep that we prepped, and now it is time for some mango! Oh my god. We're just keeping this out, and we'll keep them when? Like in the...
Maybe in the night today, or maybe tomorrow.
This was in the fridge, right?
Yeah.
This was in the fridge, and let's...
So this one is Pickering.
This one is Pickering, okay. We're gonna taste the Pickering mango. Woo! I cannot wait to eat it. Hold on. You wanna taste first? Good? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. I literally took a bite. It's so juicy, sweet, delicious. It's so good. Oh my god. Finally we're eating some good mango. We did try and get mango like I think 1 month back from, I don't know, where did you, Walmart or probably somewhere. We just got one mango to try. It was not good at all. And I'm defrosting this treat for Marvel so that we can give him in the evening when the fireworks start, so that he's not very scared or anxious kind of thing. We'll just give him so he stays a little calm down. We're not going anywhere. We'll be home with him. Oh my god, this mango is delicious.
You want to use fork
Yeah.
to eat it while I cut the other one?
Which other one?
Southern Blush?
Oh, it's in the fridge. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh no. So sweet. Now this one is Southern Blush. Look at the size, guys. I mean, it's like this big.
Yeah. That's so sweet.
And look at Marvel. He just tasted like this tiny bit of mango. Marvel, did you like it? Oh my god. So good. We're gonna eat this first and then we'll go and sit and enjoy the other one. This is Southern Blush? Oh my god, it is so good.
Okay guys, so we are back. Tanya is watching Insta stories and we are back from what, if you are wondering. We just gave Marvel a walk. We slept for a while. We are enjoying our holiday.
Like after a long time.
Yeah, it's around
8 o'clock.
It doesn't feel like 8 because as you can see,
Yeah.
it is so bright outside. So we gave Marvel a walk. We gave him a little bit longer walk so that he is a little bit calmed down when the fireworks starts, hopefully, which is very hard because in an hour he'll regain his energy. That's it. So that's and surprisingly none of us is feeling hungry, and we brought all that stuff to eat today and we are not feeling hungry at all. And I don't even know because we had just one banana for breakfast. We had our
meal prep lunch,
which is portion control, so it's not like we overate at lunch.
Yeah.
And
that's it.
We had a mango.
Yeah, we had a mango.
That's it. That's all we have had. But for some reason we are not feeling hungry at this time.
Maybe after an hour or so.
Yeah. After an hour we will actually feel hungry. I'm pretty sure about that. So I think Tanya is gonna make some hot dogs. And I have some pav bhaji left from yesterday. So I'm just gonna eat that.
We'll stuff it in the
hot dog bun. So I'm gonna eat that with hot dog bun. Of course we won't be able to eat when the fireworks is going on because we'll have to see Marvel. And Tanya has already told you guys that she has taken out the big bone marrow so that Marvel can enjoy his treat.
Yeah.
And be a little less distracted. Let's see, this is the first time we are doing it. I think from next time we just learned about CBD oil.
I was here last time. You were in Puerto Rico.
Right. But I didn't know about CBD oils.
Yeah,
and I didn't even knew that Kim actually had it on the store. So if I would have known that, we would have gone and get it. But I guess from next time I'll make sure that if there is anything that can increase Marvel's anxiety. I've tried it before, so if you
I've seen people using it.
Right. So if you guys have any experience around it, if you know very good brands or something, do let us know in the comments. But yes, that is one thing that we'll definitely try. And he is trying to listen. Can you guys even see it? There he is. Marvel, what you listening? Are we talking about you? Are we talking about you feeding CBD oils? Anyways, so yeah, that's what's going on right now. We are lazy asses on our couches for now, and the fireworks will begin and we'll show you.
Okay guys, so we are in the kitchen and we are gonna make dinner. So I have my sweet Italian style hot dogs, tomato ketchup, pickles. I love pickles in my hot dog.
And I have
mustard. Yeah, that's it.
And I have I can't believe it's not pet butter. And I have Indian style bhaji. And I have the same hot dog buns that I'm gonna eat with. And I have yellow style onion.
So let's make
some hot dogs. She makes it sound so fancy, I have to like catch up with her.
Let's make some hot dogs.
here.
Guys, are you ready? I mean, I am ready to enjoy some hot dog. Let's take a bite.
It's nice.
So good.
Nice. I think the firework is gonna start and we are just gonna watch from here because we have to stay with Marvel inside. But we'll record whatever we could. Look at that, guys! I think there's a lot of reflection here, so I'm gonna... Now eat the Fritos! Fritos! Eat the Fritos! Babe, come! Look at Marvel, he's eating his treat. So he doesn't know the fireworks is going on, so he's totally distracted. It's a beef bone marrow.
We gave him in the right time.
Yeah. Oh, and now they are doing like the rapid fire kind of thing. Look at that. And the end. Okay guys, so after the fireworks and enjoying our food, we watched some Lucifer stuff and we didn't even realize that it's almost midnight now.
Yeah.
And you will see she's ready.
At midnight.
So we are going out for some midnight shopping.
Yeah.
And by shopping I mean just necessities. We are going to Walmart actually, her favorite place.
Yes.
But since we have taken you Walmart so many times, we are gonna end this vlog right now, and we are gonna see you in another amazing vlog where we do Indian grocery haul. So stay tuned for that one, and we'll see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.